Hello guys, in today's video I do have the iPhone 17 and I'm going to tell you how you can easily stop battery draining fast on your iPhone 17. At first open the settings, and now once you're in the settings you can find the setting in here called the display brightness. Once here, tap the liquid glass and tap tint it. Once you've done that, you can now go back, and here scroll down to the applications right there. Now tap on the application, for example not this one but let be DJ Mimo. Here in this application, disable background app refresh, and disable this background app refresh in every single application one where you don't really need to have the notifications from, or you want to have them delayed or something like that. You just want to care about them. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.